Hey guys, this is Wolverine Gaming, and in today's video, I'm gonna tell you a secret trick, or you can say a tip to reduce your time, or so you should don't waste your time on these silly things. Okay, so if you have level uh, 19 headquarter or lower than that, so if you are not up to 20, then you can use this trick. Okay, so if you know that you have to collect all of these resources one by one, and this is so irritating to collect all those resources, so I have a trick. And if you go to VIP 3, that you will know that after level 20 of headquarters you can collect all resources in one click, but right now you can collect it by one click. Okay, so how to do that? Get back, and those the food icons or iron icons or these coin icons, click on one of these respectively, and here you can see a collect resources option to collect all of your food resources in one click. So if you collect these, you can see all of your resources are now collected. You can do for iron also. Click on collect, and it will collect all your resources in one click without being level 20 headquarter. Okay, so this is a very helpful trick to newcomers, so you can reduce your time of collecting these resources. Some resources you have to collect with your own hands and time, so these are the resources that you can not collect it with one click right now. You can collect them with one click after 20 headquarters. So work for that, and you will get soon faster resource collector. Okay, so that's the easy trick for newcomers, or maybe old players who know or not know, so use it wisely.